I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amina Mahogany, back again for another video. So today I'm doing another LOZA TAM video with a turban and a headband, two new products that I did just buy and receive from them, and so I'm going to try them on for you guys. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is kind of dry. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with however much water is left in this spray bottle just to add the moisture back into my hair and reactivate the product that is already in it. Just going to go ahead and smooth that out so I can get some manageability and a little bit of movement to my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I do have some added softness and more movability, and so we can get into style 1. These are the two products that I did receive in the mail. The one on the left is a turban and the one on the right is the headband. This is the print of the turban, and then next I'll show you the print up close of the headband. As always, both of them are satin lined since LOZA TAM is known for and specializes in satin lined hair accessories. Now we are moving on to the second product, which is the turban. I'm trying to think of different styles that I can do, so let's just see what I come up with. This is the classic way to go ahead and wear the turban. I did figure out two more ways to wear it, so I'll be showing those next. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video on Wednesday. Peace, love, and blessings to all of you.